Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through the condos. There's only 6 of them, so this is going to be a really special video because these are rare find. 42533 Moonridge Road, Unit B, just hitting the market for $450,000. So come check it out. Okay, so there are 2 sides to every Moonridge condo. 1, 2, 3. And then the others are 4, 5, 6. So each building has 2 units in it. One is gonna face the front, which is Moonridge Road, and then the other is gonna face this alleyway. My preference would be the alleyway, just because you're gonna get less traffic in the area. So I'm just going to walk you kind of down here a little bit, just so that we can get a little peekaboo of Moonridge Road. So right here, this is Elm, and this is the alleyway. So this is a great up and coming spot. These are the new roundabouts right here that the city just installed. The new trail system is going in right about here on the back side of these buildings right here. That will take you all the way down to the lake and all the way up to the mountain, and that is called Rathbun Creek, or Rathburn Creek. It is said 2 different ways. Right here is a noodle shop, and then you've also got Dank Donuts down the way. So lots of different things happening in this up and coming area of Moonridge. They are going to make this a little village area, as well as new businesses are entering and making something great. They also, in the summertime, so basically like August and September, they do what we call Moonridge Mondays, and that is where all the buildings and all the businesses are setting up little tents outside, kind of like a farmer's market, but for businesses. So it's a nice little event on Monday nights around 4 o'clock in the summertime, so that people can enjoy and see what all it has to offer. So outside, we do have vinyl siding, so very easy to maintain. So this is going to be the access to our unit, and then you've also kind of share a walkway with the other side. So you'll see on each row, there's going to be 4 owners entering into their complex. So here we are going into a Unit B. Love the brick flooring and love the colorful stairwell. So on the first floor, we're gonna have 2 beds, 1 bath, and the garage. So right here's gonna be the garage, but I'll finish off the end of the first floor tour by going in there. So entryway right here, kind of hang your coats and your skis up right here. We're gonna transition from brick floors over to hardwood floors. These are laminate hardwood floors. And then we've got this nice kind of slate blue coloring right here, with also the intake for the central heating. So wonderful, beautiful taste in here. I love all the pops of color. The bedding, beautiful. And then we've got, this looks like a king bed in here. So this is kind of more of the master room. Large high ceilings. They do have these big wooden beams crossing over. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think it has anything to do with plumbing, but it looks like it was added after the fact, so have to ask. Here we have some, oh, it probably hides the track lighting. Well, no, maybe, might hide a plug. But we have some really good carpet in here. Some nice, like, good cushy carpet. Very kind of like forgiving too, being able to hide any stains or anything. So it's pretty much turnkey. The owners have been using this one as a long-term, short-term rental. And I know you're probably thinking, Rachel, that doesn't even make sense. What is a long-term, short-term rental? So long-term, short-term rental to me is a short period of longer rents. So basically renting for like a month, 2 months, 3 months, to anybody wanting to come up to Big Bear for that period of time. And the reason that they do that in these complexes is because these are not short-term rental approved. So you have to have a minimum of 30 days. This is a washer and dryer underneath the stairwell. And we've got a locked owner closet. And then this is bedroom number 2 downstairs. So again, real high ceilings. It's probably like 8, no, maybe like 9, 10 feet tall. Nice closets. Very good lighting in here too. If you didn't have this track lighting in here, it would be kind of dark, but it's in really good shape. And then the bathroom. It's got this kind of seafoam blue and black tile walls. But I've got the knockdown and a nice vessel sink. And the tile in the bathtub is the same as outside the tub. So it's that seafoam and black. And then this is a cast iron tub as well. So really nice that you got a full bathroom downstairs between the 2 bedrooms. And also the toilet. And then I'm going to take you into the garage. A little bit of light in here. So here we just have storage, extra fridge. Garage is epoxied on the ground, but you can see how much storage you have. There are a lot of full-time owners that live in these units too. And great storage for your skis and your snowboards as well. And so, So the HOA here is pretty minimal, honestly, because you're really just taking care of what you see. There's not going to be like grounds maintenance and things like that. Probably just going to have meeting a couple times a year is pretty common. Dual pane windows. And check out this. Okay, so I'm going to go from the kitchen to the dining room to the living room. There's a bathroom and our balcony out here. So first let's start with the kitchen. And oh, by the way, we have a little loft as well. But first let's start down here. So I like the black, white, gold look, obviously. That is one of my favorite branding things. Full-size fridge. And then this is like a pressed wood, but this is not the full countertop. The main countertop is going to be metal. This is just for a drawer. You've got the sink. You do have space for a dishwasher. It looks like a dishwasher here. I don't know if it has one, like if it's plumbed for it, but that is something that we could investigate if you wanted to. And then we do have the induction cooktop expert. So they use this and the air fryer as well. No, sorry, I'm lying. This is not an air fryer. This is a dishwasher. Wow. I have never seen something so cute in my life. I didn't even know that existed. I'm going to have to make a special video just on that. I'd like to see how that thing works. That is really cool. So again, back to induction. That's how you're going to do that. And then we got this beautiful backsplash too. Just kind of thought of everything. And this is where they keep all their appliances. Little bar area, coffee area. Just, you know, a little catch-all. Then our dining room for 4. And I'd have to check the rules if you have to abide by occupancy when you are doing a 30-day rental, if there's going to be any standards. I would think that it would be somewhat different just because you're not operating under a short-term rental license, but that is a good question that I just thought about. Kind of coming through the living room, but it's definitely comfortable for about 4 people, possibly 5, if you wanted to squish in here a little bit more. This is a faux fireplace, so you've got a gas starter. You do have the logs in there. They have firewood here, but honestly, I'm not sure. I think you're supposed to leave those in there and just burn that. But you could always convert it if you wanted to. So another thing to note, you do have these nice, beautiful vaulted ceilings and then a beautiful skylight. But I like how they did, I love the black wood with the natural wood look. So really great taste in here. And this is just like a little gaming, welcoming area, toys, games, DVDs, things like that. This might be another dishwasher. Oh, it's a humidifier. Okay. Then we do have a thermostat here that operates remotely. And then the half bathroom upstairs. I like how low this is. It's like a good level for your hands, you know. It's like to my thigh almost, but it's good for kids too. All right, so here we have out on the balcony. So it is sealed with this grit too, so that you're not, it's not leaking down below into the garage. Nice sunbathing deck too, man. You get some good sun out here. I might melt, but I'll be okay. It's a nice little outdoor grill area. And this is propane right here. Metal. And it's great because you get this nice sun right here, but you also don't have really the noise of anything over on Big Bear Boulevard. It's a weather sensor. And then looking at it this way, you've got the roof, looks like it's in really good shape, and you do have gutters as well. And then I'm going to show you the spot you've all been dying to see, which is up in that loft area. So let's go check that out. It's definitely like a great place to like live in for months out of the year, honestly. Like if you're down in Palm Springs and need a getaway, this one's great. The location's awesome. It's got everything that you really need. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So this is not your grandpa's attic stairs. This one is new and improved. Metal. And they have a railing up here, which is really neat. So, I mean, honestly, somebody could sleep up here if they wanted to, but it's also a good little hangout right here. So, kind of sit up here, put your feet up, put your legs up, got some views out there. You've also could turn it into like a little office-like area. They've got like a little table on that side. Safe for children, although my children would probably go up and over because that is what they do. Got some fun artwork right here. That's cool. It's like a floating book with a book on top, but it's a trick because underneath it's got something that's holding it up. So there you have it, 42533 Moonridge Road. I'm gonna keep you on camera in case I fall, since I'm doing this with just one hand. Just on the market for $449,000. Let me know if you would like to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.